Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best solar greenhouse fans is probably one of the most essential investments a gardener can make to ensure their plants thrive in a controlled environment, especially during warmer months when overheating can quickly become a serious issue for delicate seedlings and mature plants alike. These innovative devices harness the power of the sun to provide continuous ventilation, regulating temperature and humidity levels without relying on external power sources, thus creating the optimal growing conditions for a bountiful harvest. By efficiently circulating air, they help prevent fungal diseases and promote healthy plant growth, making them an indispensable tool for any serious horticulturist aiming for peak productivity and plant vitality. Number 5. Gazeled F24 Battery-Operated Fan. Introducing the Gazeled F24, your ideal companion for outdoor adventures. This battery-operated fan is designed for ultimate portability and convenience. Enjoy extended use with its super long-lasting battery life. It can run for up to 214 hours on a single set of D-cell batteries, ensuring you stay cool wherever you go. Experience tranquility with its whisper-quiet operation, perfect for sleeping or working. The newly designed motor ensures a peaceful environment with noise levels as low as 50 dB. Tailor your cooling experience with 3 speed settings and a convenient timer function. Set it for 1, 3, or 5 hours and forget about it. Direct the airflow exactly where you need it with its 180 degrees rotation. The integrated handle makes it easy to carry, perfect for travel and outdoor activities. This fan offers versatile power options. Besides D-cell batteries, it can also be powered via USB, making it compatible with power banks, car chargers, and computers. What we like. If you need a fan that can run for an exceptionally long time on a single charge, this is the one. Its super long-lasting battery life and quiet operation make it perfect for overnight use or long work sessions. If you value peace and quiet and want a fan that won't disturb your sleep or focus, you should consider this option. What people say. The solar panel is powerful and charges the battery quickly, even on cloudy days. The fan is very quiet and effective at circulating air in my greenhouse. Installation was straightforward, and the fan has been running continuously without any issues. Number 4. KITWLEMEN 10.2-inch Solar Camping Fan with Light. Experience long-lasting coolness with our portable fan. Its powerful brushless motor offers 3 adjustable speeds for personalized comfort, and the rechargeable battery ensures you stay cool all night long. Stay powered up wherever you go. This fan can be charged using its efficient solar panel or quickly recharged by USB-C, ensuring it's always ready for your adventures. Be prepared for anything with this essential emergency gear. It functions as a bright camping lantern and even includes an SOS signal light, providing up to 48 hours of illumination. Take comfort with you anywhere. This lightweight fan features adjustable airflow direction and a convenient timer, making it perfect for camping, fishing, or any outdoor excursion. Designed for your convenience, it offers smart features like one-click off after inactivity and battery-saving modes when charging your devices. Enjoy effortless operation and extended battery life. Never worry about a dead phone again. This fan includes a USB-A output, allowing you to charge your essential devices during power outages or while enjoying the great outdoors. What we like. For those who prioritize versatility and emergency preparedness, this fan is a top contender. Its ability to charge via solar power or USB-C means you're never without power, and the integrated light with an SOS signal is invaluable for outdoor adventures or unexpected outages. If you're looking for a reliable companion for camping, fishing, or as an emergency backup, this is the fan for you. What people say. The solar fan is powerful and effectively ventilates the greenhouse, keeping the temperature stable. Easy to install and works automatically when the sun is out, providing continuous airflow. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even in harsh weather conditions. Number 3. Maraiss 22,000 mAh Camping Solar Fan. Introducing the ultimate portable fan, designed to keep you comfortable no matter where your adventures take you. Enjoy personalized cooling with 5 adjustable speed settings. Experience powerful cooling without the noise. Its advanced brushless motor operates at less than 35 dB, ensuring a peaceful environment for sleep or work. Never worry about running out of power again. With dual high-efficiency solar panels and a massive 22,000 mAh battery, it recharges quickly via solar, USB-C, or wall adapter. This versatile fan also features 3 adjustable lighting modes, providing ample light for any situation, from a soft glow to a bright beacon. Take full control of your environment with a smart 5-stage timer, allowing you to automate cooling for hours of uninterrupted comfort. It's perfect for naps or all-night use. Designed for life on the go, it features an adjustable stand and a swivel hook for versatile placement. Plus, use its dual USB ports to charge your devices in emergencies. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This fan is an ideal summer essential for anyone who loves the outdoors. It comes with 1-year professional support for peace of mind. What we like. If you're seeking the ultimate in customizable airflow and rapid solar charging, look no further. This fan boasts dual solar panels for faster charging and a large battery capacity, ensuring continuous operation. Its 5 adjustable speeds allow for precise comfort control, making it ideal for anyone who wants a powerful and adaptable cooling solution for their home or outdoor adventures. What people say. The solar panel is powerful and charges the battery quickly, even on cloudy days. The fan is quiet and moves a good amount of air, keeping the greenhouse at a comfortable temperature. The automatic on-off feature works well, turning the fan on when the temperature reaches a certain level and off when it cools down. Number 2. LCOCOVE Solar-Powered Outdoor Fan. Enjoy extended use with our fan, offering 5 to 24 hours of operation on a single charge. It's perfect for any situation, even when electricity isn't available. Stay powered up with multiple charging methods. You can charge it in your car using the included cable or harness the sun's energy with the integrated solar panel. This fan is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it ideal for camping, fishing, patios, sheds, and more. Experience comfortable breezes wherever you are. Designed with a sturdy metal guard and a quiet, energy-saving brushless motor, it ensures safe operation for everyone, including children. It's built to last. Effortlessly adjust the wind speed with simple button controls and direct the airflow with a 120-degree adjustable angle. The LED display shows battery life, and non-slip feet keep it secure. We offer a 1-year quality assurance for your peace of mind. If you have any questions, our team will respond promptly to ensure you have the best experience. Please note that when using the solar panel to charge, you need to manually turn on the charging function. It does not operate automatically. What we like. If you need a fan that offers granular control over airflow and prioritizes safety, this is an excellent choice. With 12 distinct speed settings and a robust metal safety guard, it provides both precise cooling and peace of mind, especially around children. If you're looking for a durable, energy-saving fan for your home, greenhouse, or outdoor gatherings, this option is worth considering. What people say. The solar panel is powerful and charges the battery quickly, even on cloudy days. The fan is quiet and moves a good amount of air, keeping the greenhouse at a comfortable temperature. Installation was straightforward, and the fan has been running reliably for weeks without any issues. Number 1. 25W Solar-Powered Exhaust Fan Kit. Harness the power of the sun with this efficient solar-powered fan. Its integrated battery ensures continuous operation, providing up to 12 hours of ventilation on a full charge, even without direct sunlight. Experience smart ventilation that adapts to your needs. It automatically adjusts its run and rest cycles based on light conditions, optimizing energy use throughout the day and night. Enjoy superior air circulation with its high-speed motor, delivering up to 180 CFM. It's ideal for keeping various spaces, from chicken coops to attics, comfortably ventilated. Designed for durability, this fan features waterproof components and a robust build. It's ready to perform reliably in diverse weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting use. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included mounting bracket. You can easily position it on a roof or wall for optimal performance and convenience. What we like. This fan is designed for specific ventilation needs, making it ideal for enclosed spaces like chicken coops, greenhouses, or attics. Its dedicated exhaust function, high airflow, and intelligent operation modes ensure efficient air exchange while conserving energy. If you're looking for a durable, weather-resistant solution to manage air quality in specialized environments, this is the fan you need. What people say. The solar fan is powerful and effectively circulates air in my greenhouse, keeping the temperature stable. Easy to install and works great even on cloudy days, providing continuous ventilation. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, and the fan operates quietly while maintaining optimal humidity levels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.